Welcome to Decentralized TV. I'm your host, the Data Lord, bringing you today's crypto news. Banks are bringing systemic risks to crypto, says Circle Disparty. So, the recent U.S. bank failures are proof that the banking system is introducing systemic risks to the crypto industry, not vice versa, says Circle Chief Strategy Officer Dante Disparte. Dante Disparte, the Chief Strategy Officer and Head of Global Policy at Circle Internet Financial, discussed the systemic risk that the traditional banking system poses to cryptocurrency industry in an interview for an upcoming Word on the Block episode. Circle is the issuer of USDC, the second largest stablecoin by market capitalization. Disparte highlighted the issues faced by crypto companies due to a lack of confidence in the banks, noting that the shutdown of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, two major lenders to the crypto industry, demonstrates the risk that traditional finance institutions pose to the crypto ecosystem. The bank failures in the United States have demonstrated that banks themselves are introducing risk to crypto assets versus the inherent direction of travel of risk that a lot of regulators were concerned about is that crypto would introduce risks to banking, said Disparte. USDC is a dollar-backed stablecoin, meaning it maintains a stable value equivalent to the US dollar. It currently holds a market capitalization of US $39.5 billion, making it the fifth largest cryptocurrency. USDC broke its dollar peg over the weekend after it was revealed that Circle held $3.3 billion in reserve deposits at Silicon Valley Bank. USDC fell to as low as 87 cents before regaining its dollar parity on Monday, according to market cap data. According to Disparte, USDC reserves are made up of strictly cash and short-dated treasuries, with 80% held in the latter, and that there is no safer asset class. The challenge is that the full faith and credit of the underlying banking system on which that relied had nascent risk in it that started manifesting itself. Codependence. However, Disparte said he believes that the crypto industry and banks have deep codependencies and that both can rise together, as many financial institutions are already leveraging blockchain infrastructure for payments and are interested in digital asset custodian solutions. Disparte said that the Circle has attracted more banks into the crypto sector than most digital asset firms. BNY Mellon is one of Circle's major custodians, and the company partners with BlackRock to manage the Circle Reserve Fund. It's not traditional finance versus decentralized finance, and it's not crypto versus traditional banks. It's actually a solid wall of shore up markets, shore up confidence, protecting consumers, and ensuring again that the outcomes in the long run prove that this stress test could have been weathered by both traditional financial firms and companies like Circle, Disparte said. Interesting. Disparte said that Circle is prepared to meet redemption demands, but acknowledged the need for minting new USDC to provide a digital form of dollars that investors can hold to protect themselves from economic risks. All these risks start to accrue to urgency from legislators, policymakers, regulators to begin to protect consumers at the comprehensive whole of government level, as opposed to relying on this patchwork approach that we have in the United States for regulating this industry. So, very interesting article, to say the least. My personal views on this is that if you're in self-custody, you don't have to rely on a third party. So perhaps that's the greater solution, is not relying on centralized systems to store and interface with decentralized assets. Instead, we take self-custody and we don't put a middleman in between our transactions. But what do I know? I just do crypto full time. Anyways, let us know what you think about this in the comments. Do you think the banks are overreaching? Do you think traditional finance and decentralized finance can live together, should live together? I know it's kind of a controversial topic, so let us know what you think, and we'd love to have the conversation. Until next time, I'm the Data Lord. This is Decentralized TV. Keep calm and huddle on.